Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
Good. It's night over here.
Oh, that is good evening.
Yeah. Good morning to you.
Yes. So good evening. Uh, okay. I am once again. Actually, I cannot connect on my laptop. I don't know why. Okay, we are doing the sums, right?
Yes. Baby got traction. But do you
Okay.
for the laptop? Did you like type the link for it?
Yes.
Oh, you did. That's weird.
Yes. I have given the link now already
Mhm.
because that link and this link is different. That is a G Meet and this is a Zoom Meet. So it's a different. I don't know why today is not able to connect my laptop. Yeah, I'll have my screen back because I don't know why I'm not able to connect from the laptop.
Mhm.
Okay, we were example sums. I hope so it will be visible to you.
It's kind of blurry.
One second, I'll try to fix it. Is it fine? No.
I think if you go closer, I think it looks much better.
Because it's not opening, it's showing me for me Zoom. I'm not getting anything, the page. I stuck on my this.
Like, how long does it
I don't
time?
know why it's taking my open. Let's see, we'll okay. Next question is this 11th one.
I can see.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Man sold two radios at rupees 4,800 each. You can just write down, I'll dictate because it's open only, but it's not coming. And two radios was 4,800. Yes, two radios was 4,800. And one he gained 20% and other he lost 20%. So you need to find out the gain or the lost person in whole transaction. So 4,800 is each. He gained 20%. So what is the will be the amount? When he gained the loss, so what will be the amount? So in whole transaction, whether he gained or lost, you need to find out that. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Wait, for the what's the question?
Like he has two radios. He sold the two radios at 4,800 each. One he gained 20% and lost 20%. So you need to find out whether it is a gain or loss. The whole transaction. At last, what he had, whether he got the profit or loss.
But I cannot see the question.
Saying the question, you write down the statements. It's visible.
Was
You need not to write full question. Okay. I'm saying the statement. No,
okay, got it.
come on, do it fast. What is the percent? Do it, do it. Let me know what is that. What percent he has gained or lost in the whole transaction. So what you will do?
First I'm finding 48 minus 20%,
Come on, do it.
which is gonna be minus 80. So
So what you will do? What the formula is that?
formula is um, it's SP. It's a gain one.
Write the formula.
The gain. The gain one. The formula gain one.
What is the formula? What you will write the formula?
Gain equal to SP minus P.
Have given the
Oh
gain
wait, no, wait,
percent.
wait, never mind, never mind. Gain divided by CP times.
The first radio, that is, it is the two radios are there. For so finding the first, you will get the CP.
CP.
First, you need, yes, you will, because he gained the 20% loss and loss also 20%. So here he sell the, because it is a sold, a man sold two radios. So this is a selling price, 4,800. So you need to find out the CP. That is what was the original cost price. So you will use 100 by 100 plus gain percent because I have already gained. I have the gain percent here. So you will find out the first value, what is the, that is, if it is the gain, so how much it will be the gain. And if it is a loss, then how much it will be the loss.
So basically, we're gonna use the formula of 100 divided by 100 minus loose
So you need to
percent.
find out the cost price. Now you don't have the cost price here. Have the selling price only here. Have your selling price, not the cost price. Where is the cost price? Then how you will know that how much you have gained? For that you need to find out the first cost price, no? When
Yeah,
the
which is
selling price is
yeah, CP.
yes, when the selling price is given and when the gain percent, this is a gain 20%, not the gain. Gain 20%. Like gain was the 20%. So you have that gain 20% and you have the loss 20%. So you will use both formula only. So first you will find out the CP. That is, you will use this to find out the cost price in the gain. If he had sell this, then how much he got the profit? 100 by 100 plus gain percent into the selling price. And just that is do substitute particular values in the formulas. 100 by 100 plus what is your gain? Your gain is saying 20. I'm not writing the 20%, only 20. 100 plus by 100 plus 20 into 4,800. Now do the calculation what you are getting. What you got when you have what was the profit? That
I'm
was what is the profit in the selling cost price?
it's like it's like 240.
How you got 240? You're not putting the percentage. How you got 240? 100 by 100 plus 20 into 4,800. Going to put the value. You're not just doing that percentage and you will get no. 100 by 100 plus 20. What will become 100 plus 20? What will be the
100.
denominator? Then you will add now. You can add it the denominator. And into the 4,800. You're going to do into the 4,800. You're going to simplify now. When it is possibility to add means you will add and then only you will simplify. So
240.
you got 240. When you simplifying, you get the 240. 0 will cut and 10 by 12.
Yeah,
5
that's
times
what
6 times. And 6 will go 8 times. It's not getting 240. Have you multiplied? You have 4,800. It's no, not the correct. Do it again.
I'm still getting 240.
Can you just tell me how what number you have put it? You did the calculation. Can you tell me?
Right, so basically 100 divided by 120 times 4800, right?
Then how do you how you done calculation?
So so I cross out zeros because they get me cross out.
But
I
how?
I took 48 zeros and crossed them out.
You will cross them out. 48 for 4800 is in the numerator. It's not on the denominator. How you will cross out?
Since it's multiplication.
Multiplication. Then how you will cross? You have the number this. 4800. How you will cross out? Cannot cross out that. You have 4800. So this zero and this zero I can cut. Either one zero I can cut. Here I have two zeros. You cannot cross out. This 4800 is on the your numerator.
I see.
It's not on the denominator. Denominator means it is the one.
Then it's like 24,000.
Or you can simplify more. If you are cutting in the two table one time and you're taking a 24,000, you can
Thousand.
simplify more. You can simplify. So where the 10 will go? Not 24,000.
Yeah. So 10 and 24. So oh, we can cross out zero, right? So we can cross out zero.
Archit, 100 by 120 into 4,800. You have to do it. How you got? Can you tell me? Can you do
So
it?
okay, first we cross out zeros, right? The
Okay, I
100.
can cross 10 and 10. Then,
Yeah, same for 100 too. 100 cross out.
no, how you will cross this 20 to this 20? This they both
Just
are
like
on the
one,
numerator.
just only one, right? You can cross out at least one.
You are saying you will cut like this.
Yeah.
How? You cannot do that. How you will do? This is also numerator and this is also numerator. 100 into 400. If you multiply also, you will get 48,000. 48,000 into 120. I will multiply this too.
I see.
You have to do normal simplification. You cannot cross this 20. You can do only the numerator. This is also a numerator. This is also my denominator. If I don't have any number means this is will become denominator. You cannot cross this 2 and this 2. You cannot do that.
Okay. Otherwise, it is like how many zeros are that? So 12. If you do like 48 times 12, which is that's a lot actually high. Wait a minute.
2 always start from the small table. 2 table 5 time, 2 table 6 time. 6 table 1 time, 8 table, 6 table 1 time, 6 table 8 times, 48. So 800 into 5. What will be the 800 into 5?
That'll be
1000. How for
4,200.
2?
Yeah,
4000.
yeah, 4,000 or 4,000. Yeah,
So how you're getting 2400? You cannot cut like this.
I see. That's where I think I messed up.
This is not that cross multiplication. If the sum is equal here, if you have here like this, equal to 4800, then only you are bringing to here and it will become to the denominator. Then only you can say that 120 into 4800. Then only you can cut this 100. But it's not an equal sign, it is the into sign. So your first CP, that is first ratio, is got when you're doing this first as a gain, you have gain 4000. When you're doing for the second as a loss, so again the CP is 4000, loss is 20%. So I'm going to use now loss percent. I'm going to put here CP equal to the formula I'm going to write first. 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Now I'm finding the loss percent, SP into
Mhm.
SP. So for the question was gain and loss percent. So I have did my gain percent. That is I got the 4000. Now same way you're doing for the loss also. So I'm going to write here 100 by 80 into, that is 100 minus 20, because my loss percent is 20. So into 80 into 4800. Now do the calculation for this.
Okay.
When in the fraction, numerator, denominator only you can cancel. Otherwise, you cannot cancel. You have to see the symbol. If you have a multiplication, means that number is also on numerator. When there is no number, means you have to consider as one as a
Um,
denominator.
700.
Huh?
700. 7,000,
You
sorry.
got
7,000.
how you got 7000?
Mm-hmm.
100 minus 20 is 80 into 4800. How you got? 1010 only I can cut.
So
8 one time.
4 cross out by 2, right? Because they both go into 2 table.
Okay, 2 table is 4 and 2 table is 5. Okay.
Then we do
4 table 1,
28,000. Then 4, which is 1,400.
1400.
And then times 5, 7,000.
4800 in 4 table, how many times you will go? It's not 400.
1,400. 14.
No.
1,4. 1,4.
12. 4 ones are 4 twos are.
Wait, wait.
8 times will go 48. 5 into 12 is 6000.
Then 6,000.
That simplified straight away. No need to do that. This is also simplified directly. I could have cut 0 1 time, 6 times. 48 will go in 8 table 6 times and add the particular that number. 600 into 10 is 6,000. That's it. So my second radio, that is when it's become loss, is 6,000. And when I had find out in the gain is 4,000. Now you need to find out at what happened at the last in the whole transaction. So actual cost of the two radio, if I do two radio, so that is the CP is 10,000. So my CP value is 10,000 because I need to going to add this both.
I see.
So CP original cost was the 10,000 and they said 4,800 is 2. Each value is 4,800. So it will become 9,600. So this is the CP, SP. The original cost is 10,000 of the original and I sell this 4,800 each I have sold. So it means 9,600 is my SP value.
Yes.
9,600, that is 10,000 minus 9,600. So it's become 400. So I got the loss. Now I'm going to use here loss percent. So how much loss percent I got? 4%. You have to put this 4%. That is loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100%. So you need to find out your loss percent. You're going to use the loss percent. Now what the loss you got? Your loss was the 6,000 and gain was the 4,000. So you will add this to fund. So this was my original price. The original is 10,000 and SP is 9,600. 9,600. So when you're minusing means you lost here 4,000. So here you are going to use the loss percent formula. My loss percent formula is loss by CP into 100%. So loss is, I got here loss is 10,000 minus 9,600 is 400. So 400 into 10,000 into 100. So now you can cancel this 2020. Now I have more two zeros here like this. So it's become 4%. So my whole transaction, in the whole transaction, I got a loss. That too 4%. You need to find out the 4%. So to find out the loss percent, you need to find out first loss. To find out the loss percent, we need to find out how much I have lost.
Mhm.
Cannot find directly loss percent. First, you will find out the loss and you need to require the CP because that we don't have. Next question. Watchman sold at a profit of 6% till rupees 870 more than when it is sold at a loss of 6%. So find the cost price of the watch. A watch when sold at the profit of 6%,
Mhm.
rupees 8,870 more
8,000.
than not 8,870 rupees When the watch sold means at the profit of 6%. So it means it is a gain.
Okay,
It
so
is a
was sold at profit of 6% and paid 870.
at 870 rupees. Yes, more than when it is sold at a loss of 6%. So when you have sold means it was a loss of 6%. So what is the price of the watch? What is the price of the cost?
So we do this same thing again as we done in the previous one.
Yes, so yes, you will have that only because we doesn't know the cost price. So you will when we doesn't know means you are going to assume as X. Yeah, they said the CP at the 6%, sold at the 6%. You have the 6%. So you are going to use the formula P into what you have the 6 per 1 not 100 106, that is by 100. 106 by 100, that is 100 plus 6 because 6%, no? So 106 by 100. Now calculate x into 106 by 100. Can you do the calculation? How you will calculate this? Calculate.
It's the same almost same formula like that.
But what you got? Yes, the same is only the procedure is the same. But what is the CP? What is the original cost? Here they said you need to find out the original cost only, not the gain or profit.
Mm.
The same method only, but you will stop at the finding the original cost. That is CP. What is the cost of the watch? Need to find out the cost of the watch. In the previous sum, we had find out whether it is a loss or not, loss or gain in the whole transaction. Here you will find out only the cost price. So what you will get when you cancel? So one you have the gain, and another you have the loss. So you are finding if it is the gain means what was the number you will get. When it is the loss means what number you will get.
Wait a minute. For the like the way you solve it is by um it's like we do x times 100 by 100 equal to x.
What is that? When you simplify means what you will get. You will simplify, no? How you will simplify? Denominator with the numerator with the denominator. How you go? What do you got when you have the 6% gain? So what you got? 106 divided by 100 into x. What you got? You got to x into 106 by 100. How you have simplified?
Divide them by two, like divide them by two.
See, always whenever you're simplifying, start seeing the number where it is even means start from the number 2. When it is odd means start from number 3. If it is go in the direct means you need go into the that particular direct table. What the answer you got? It what you're doing? You need to simplify 106 into 100, 2 table 53, 2 table 20, 50.
That's what I'm doing. I'm simplifying your home.
But how long? More you cannot simplify because this is my odd and this is my even. This is my gain. Now I need to find out for my loss. Same process I'm going to use for the loss. Loss at 6%. X into 94 by 100. 6% means what is the 6%? They have given the loss. So I'm going to minus the loss. 6 minus the 6. How yeah, I got the 95, 94 means. So I'm going to do the minus 100 minus 6. So that's why I got here 94. Here how I got 6, 106 means here you're adding 100 plus 6, the gain. Simplify this. X into 94 by 100. X into 94 by 100. When you simplify, what you will get?
47 by 50.
47x. You are counting this also. You are multiplying by this. 47x by 50. Yes, correct. Now, what is the difference in selling two prices? Because when I sold at profit 6% and loss at 6%. So I got the two difference, no? One is the when I gain means it was 53 by x, and when it is loss means it was 47 by x. 47 into x by 50. Now I know that when the denominator equal to 870 because they have said profit at yield at 870. So equal to 870. Now when you have the denominator same, so you can take the
Then
50 together.
subtract.
So 53x minus 47x equal to 870 rupees. So 53 minus 47,
It's 6x.
Yes, 6x. 6x by 50 I'm going to take. Equal to rupees 870 rupees. Now I need to find out the x. X will be the only the my CP value. So when the 50 go that side, it will become multiplication. You can
Yes.
make it this also as the lowest form. 6 will go 3 times into table and this will go 25. You can do that way also. Moreover, if you make the simplification in the lowest form, it is easy to calculate. It will be easy to calculate. So now rupees 870 into 50. Now you are going to do that and then bringing the x here by 6. You are going to divide that. So my question is now 6x equal to 870 into 50. So when the now this is because 50 I have taken in the cross multiplication. Now I'm bringing my 6 here at the denominator. I need to find out the x now because it was 6x. Now 6x will come to the denominator. It will become division.
Yeah.
It will become division because
Yeah,
I
so
had the
what I'm getting is 72 point that's point like say wait no, 72 reminder 3.
no calculate do the proper
Yeah, something wrong probably yes. See,
calculation
wait,
is wrong.
I did wait.
See, when you can simplify in the lowest form in two table 3 time into table 25 times. Make it as the lowest form. I cannot do this is the 3 and this is this. I cannot do that. See whether it is going or not. Yes, I can cut this. 3 table 290 time, 3 table 1 time. Now you can multiply because it's become easy. 190 into 25. One this is the where you can cancel when you have the denominator and numerator even means you can do that. Do the cancellation and then make it is into lowest form. So it will be easy to calculate very easy. You are doing 870 into 50, you're multiplying that, then you're making this because when you do this means you will get the bigger number. When you have the bigger number means you will get the error. Make it as a slow, small, cut short, small digit numbers. Now I can do 929 into 25. Then add whatever the number you have, how many zeros are there, at last you need to add that much. First do 29 into 25, multiply that. Whatever the answer you're getting, I have here 10, so I'm going to add that 10. What you got?
Um,
Answer after multiplication. Can do the done. You did the cancellation also, and what you got?
inside. I got 725. 725.
You will add the zero, na?
Oh yeah, and zero, sorry. 725, 50. I mean,
So how you will read
70,
that number?
7,250. Oh,
Yeah.
7,250.
Yes, 7,250. Whenever you have the zero means remove that zero at a time. Then see that you can add at the last. If you have two zero means you need not to do that calculation two zero. Add directly multiplication. Next question. If the manufacturer gains 6%, manufacturer gains 6%,
Mhm.
wholesaler gain, that is dealer 8%, and retailer 10%. So there are three. Okay. Manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer.
Manufacturer gained 6%, tailor gained 8%. And what was the
Retail,
other?
retailer is 10%. You need to find out what is the cost of a geyser who retailer price is. What is the cost of a geyser? Production cost of a geyser who retailer price is 15,741. 15,741.
Wait, what?
So 15,741. Wholesale whose retail price is 15,741. So manufacturer 6%, dealer is 8%, retailer is 10%.
Wait, what was the big number? 7.
15,741.
So one of them has it. Not much.
You have to find out what is the cost price of the greaser whose retailer price is 15,741. So what will be the cost? That is what is the cost production of a geyser? Got it?
No.
You got for this manufacture gain?
6%.
6% is that what is we will get? You are going to substitute no in the formula.
Yeah.
Shit, you have to use the formula everywhere. You are writing the first formula. You cannot write direct answer.
SP. SP.
You will get what equation you will get when manufacture gain at 6%, wholesaler 8%, retailer
That's,
10%.
this is so
What the
hard.
equation? What the equation you will get?
For each of them, I had to use the formula 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 times 1500. 15,745. 41.
What the equation you got for manufacture retail? You have to do separately, not together.
And that's
First,
what
you
I
will
say.
find out the
My formula for the manufacturer is
yes. You have
100
said
plus.
the formula correct. You said, but what the equation you got? You're saying the formula, but you have what the equation you got after substituting. For each and everything, you will get the equation one. Formula won't be work out, na? You will put the equation, na, particular number because every all the three has a different percent. One is the 6%, another is the 8%, and another is the 10%. You have used the formula 100 plus 6 is 106 divided by 100. With you are going to substitute. You will get the first equation when you're doing the 100. 106 by 100 is equal to 53 by 50. So I got the manufacture 53x by 50. I need to get the one equation. You cannot like put the sub formula and you that's it. You will get the equation. They said only the for the retail price is for 15,740 when you're not using for all. When you're doing this, you have to substitute it the formula. This is my for manufacture. So when I'm canceling means I'm getting 53 by 50x. This is for my manufacture. Now I'm going to give for the wholesaler. Wholesaler is 8%. So which will be the 108% of 53. What the first equation you got, you're going to do. Same way you're going to substitute and you will get the answer. Either you can just take the first different x into 108 by 100. So you will get the, so I can cancel. This is my 50 and this is my 54. Again I can cancel 25 and this will be go 27. So which will be 27x by 50. So I got my second equation for wholesaler. You are substituting the formula 100 plus 6 is 1 not 6 by 100. Here also 100 plus 8 is by 100 is 108 by 100. Then now you are having the retailer. Retailer means you are going to put 100 plus 10 by 100, which is give you the 110 by 100. Now 110 by 100 will be, when you cancel means it will become 11 by 10x. So
Well,
manufactured, ma-
final
ma-
begin manufactured
manufa-
with X.
manufactured into wholesaler into retailer is equal to rupees 15,741. Manufacture value I got 53x by 50 into wholesaler I got 27 by 5 and into, then I got the retailer 11 by 10, 11 by 10,
Yeah.
because when 11 by 10. Now I'm going to simplify. Now I'm going to removing the x, I'm writing the x here. Now I'm going to simplify. How I'm going to simplify? So equal to 15,400 this. So first you can simplify this, and then you can take the numerator to that side. That way also you can do. When you're simplifying means you can do that way also.
Mhm.
So this is my x. Now this all is x. Now I need to find out do means. So what I'm do? I cancellation? Can I do the cancellation? It's not
No,
possible, right?
no, no, no,
So
no.
not possible. So this is the equal. When I'm bringing this equal to this side means the numerate, this will be become reciprocal. This will become reciprocal. You are going to do the inverse. So you are going to write 15,741 into, so you are writing 50 into, that is you are just inversing this number, 50 into 53, 5 into 27, 10 into 11, 10 into 11. Now I don't have any number, I can put here 1. Now this is will be my x. Now I can simplify. Yes or no? I can
Yes.
simplify or not?
Yes.
Now you can simplify and let me know what will be the answer. Now you need to simplify. Which table number will go? You cannot simplify means then multiply first this and multiply this and you will get. You need to divide that particular number. 15741. Can you divide any of this number? Just check it out that. Yes, I can divide with the 53. 53 one time and this will go 297. Now check it out again. Now 297 I got here. 297 divided by 3. Yes, in 3 table 99, in 3 table 9 time. Now this 11 will go 1 table. You can do this way also, or if you want, yes, 11, you can cut this also. 9 table 1 time, 99 table, in 9 table 99 will go 11 time. Now this 11 I can simplify. Now I cannot simplify more. I have now 50 into 25 into 10. So I got 12,500. So my the cost production is 12,500.
Same, I think. That's what I also got.
It. This is
Mm.
the way when you cannot simplify, when you're bringing this equal here means then only you will reciprocal or else no. But it,
Yeah.
I'll send you the homework.
Mm-hmm.
You have to, whenever you're writing the formula means you have to put the substitute the number and you have to find out the equation, what the equation you got. Without equation, you cannot. You have to see whether you have the cost price there, selling price there, everything is there. Then you, if you have all means directly use the formula, substitute and simplify. That's it.
Okay.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah. I